Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a banger for you. In today's video, what I want to talk about and focus on is two things that you could focus on, or really three, that will help you make more money in the financial markets, right? This video and this topic is very important. So I really want you guys to listen up and pay attention, because this video can change your life if you let it. All right. I'm a firm believer that the people that are supposed to get this information, they just gonna find it, right? So if you're watching this video, I want you to understand you got a special calling, right? You just have to lock in with the information and pay attention to what I be saying and go implement it and execute it in your life. All right. So check this out. How to make more money in the financial markets. It's not always about the charts and stuff, right? So first thing I want to say is, so we got three things. First thing, you got to get these three words out of your vocabulary. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right. You shouldn't have done it, because if you should have, you would have done it. Should have gotten this trade. Should have got out early. No, you shouldn't have, because you didn't, right? The next thing, could have. I could have done this. I could have done this. Go back test and just get better, right? Because coulda, that's not getting you no closer to no bread, right? Stop lamenting on what you could have done or what you should have done, right? And then the next thing, woulda, right? I would have done this if this. I would have done this if this. No. Because if you would have done it, same thing. You would have. So I need you, number one, first and foremost, is you have to get these words out of your vocabulary. You got to learn how to live in the present, y'all. All right? Learn how to live in the present. And what is the present? It's the present moment. It ain't about what the trades you hit last week. It ain't about the 100% you made 2 weeks ago. No, that don't matter. The only thing that matters is right now. Because right now, right, every minute inside of the stock market that the charts are open, that the market is open, no 1 minute is the same as a previous moment. So you have to learn how to live in a moment, right? And make the best decisions in that moment. All right. So get rid of shoulda, coulda, woulda, man. Throw it out the window, right? I'll challenge you for the next 7 days to stop saying shoulda, coulda, woulda. It don't work. It do not work. I'm telling you, it don't work. Is the words are just not good for you. All right. Next thing is, this one is very powerful right here, right? There comes a time in everybody's trading journey, every single person, where you learn that you just got to put up the money, right? If you want to make more, see, there are only a couple things that you can do. You can be more patient, right? And wait for that bigger expected move, or you can invest more into your trade, right? Pretty much, that's the main two ways to make more money, right? In your trades. Investing too. So you got to think about it, right? If you're tired of making, 30%, but that 30% is only, $80, and you feel confident within yourself, at some point in time, you got to be like, you know what? I know I'm used to putting up $50 on a trade, but I'm going to put $200 on this trade. If you've been growing your account, at some point in time, you're going to have to put up more money. At least half of 50% more of what you're used to. Something, right? Because what that does is it breaks a psychological barrier within yourself. At some point in time, I'm not telling you to go full port on tomorrow's trade. I'm not telling you to do that. But here's what I am telling you to do. At some point in time, you got to be willing to say, you know what? This the kicker right here. This the key. I am okay with the outcome. You hear what I'm saying? I'm okay with the outcome. Am I saying over leverage? No. Right? But when we're trading, it's easy to get in this little groove of like, okay, I put this amount in per trade, and you just keep doing it. If you've been growing your account and compounding your account, at some point in time, if you want to make more money, you're going to have to put more into your trades or be more patient, right? Sometimes you're going to say, okay, I want to make 10% on this trade. If I put in 2,000, all right, that's 200, I'm good, right? Sometimes the move may be bigger, so you may say, okay, I don't even need to put up 2,000. I'm gonna go put up, 1,200, 1,000, and I'm gonna make double what I would have made, right? Because I'm gonna make 40%, whatever. But at some point in time, you gotta be willing to just pull the trigger and stop overthinking, y'all. Stop overthinking. Stop overthinking. Because let me tell you something. A lot of the times you know what to do. You know what you need to do. You know what you need to do. Right? The only thing is you're not doing it because you overthinking, you doubting yourself, right? You being real cautious. But there's a quote that says, "Fortune favors the bold." Am I saying go be reckless? No. But and if you ain't got there yet, you gonna see. And if you've been there, you could attest to this, right? At some point in time, you're gonna have to be like, I'm about to put this money in this trade. It ain't even gotta be an exorbitant amount of money. It's just the principle. That thing that you're overthinking about, that's probably the trade that could change your life. That's why you're thinking about it so much. All right? And the third thing, right? And this is gonna help you too. You have to stop fearing losing money. Let me say it one more time. Stop fearing losing money. You have to stop fearing losing money, right? The way you stop fearing losing money is you have to overcome yourself. You got to overcome your psychological barriers. You got to overcome your relationship with money, right? Your relationship with money is the root of it. You got to ask yourself, why do I fear losing money? And if you do fear losing money, go smaller, right? If you get one contract and that contract is $80, you shouldn't be fearing anything, honestly, right? Really think about this. If I put in a contract, buy a contract, and I put $80 up, and you lose 50%, that is $40. I want you to step outside of yourself. This is why I say get out of your head. Step outside of yourself, and I want you to ask yourself, is $40 a lot of money? No, it's not. So why are you worried so much, so heavily on losing $40? Execute, of course, right? Implement. Be solid on your strategy. But you cannot be afraid of losing money. That's how you're going to miss out on your biggest swing opportunities. Your biggest swing opportunities. Right? When you are afraid of losing the money and you're not thinking about the positive aspect and how much money you could make, I'm not saying be ignorant. I'm never going to promote go be ignorant and reckless and go crash out. I'm not going to, no. What I am going to say is, right, fortune favors the bold, and it's going to be small little times in your trading career that's going to take you to the next level. That biggest trade, you're going to have to be a little bit okay with the risk. You might have a little bit of nervousness. That's how you know you're going to the next level. Right? So that way, when you do, because watch what happens. When you do grow your account, you stop caring about the money. You stop caring about the money because you understand how accessible it is to you in the stock market. All right? So listen, y'all. I hope that made sense, and I hope that it helped you out, right? You got to get over yourself. You got to build your relationship with your money, right? Stop being afraid of it. You got to, at some point in time, you got to just be like, you know what? I'm about to just do this. I'm about to go for it, right? Get rid of shoulda, coulda, woulda. The words you using is controlling the life that you created, right? Understand what I'm saying here. This could change your life, but I really, really want you to execute this, implement this stuff, right? Don't just watch this video and go on about your life. If you go back to my videos and watch these videos and really take notes and really take time to implement the things I say, I want you to do that for 2 weeks and then come back and let me know how much your life has changed, how much your trading has changed, how much your psychology has changed. Because it ain't always about the charts. I want you guys to understand that. In the NFL, right? In the NFL, in the NBA, an NFL game lasts for 60 minutes of time, right? But look at how much time they practice. An NBA game lasts for 48 minutes, but they practicing hours and hours and hours every single day. So what does that tell you? Practice is more important than the actual game. Practice is more important than the actual game. And you have to consistently practice and get better and train. Don't just go and watch a video. Go train your mind, your psychology, your belief system, your internal self, your spirit, your soul. Go train all of that. And when you do that, what ends up happening is you perform better in the game. All right, so get them words out your vocabulary, man. At some point in time, accept that you're going to have to, you know what I'm saying, do something that's going to make you a little bit nervous. That's how you get to that next level. You ain't never going to step into a door you ain't never been in if you never get over the fear of stepping into that door. All right? So understand that, and also get over your fear of losing the money. You're going to lose some money. Mitigate your losses. Focus on your wins. Make them bigger. And let's keep getting rich, y'all. All right? So if you made it to this video, I want you to put in the comments, man, execution. All right? This is all about execution. I want you to focus on execution and implementation. Please let this YouTube change your life. Don't just watch it. Don't spend years and years and years watching videos. It's time to execute and implement, right? I want this to be a call to action for you to change your life through action. All right, so put execution in the comments. I hope that this bless you guys, all right? Like I always say, make sure you get up out of your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? I appreciate y'all time. I'm gonna catch you on tomorrow's video, all right? Y'all stay smooth. Peace.